Science Club is a great opportunity for our virtual students to come on campus for in-person lab experiences that they may not get in a virtual world. So it gives them the opportunity to come to our campus to explore topics like astronomy, biology, chemistry, and all the fun stuff. Today we are doing a forensic science lab, and specifically we have a crime scene analysis that we are going through, and students will be analyzing footprints, fingerprints, blood typing.
It gives you an opportunity to not only get to engage in science in a more deeper way, but it also allows you to meet other students. It allows you to get to learn about different stuff you might have not known that you liked before. It's a very versatile opportunity, and it's one of my favorite things that we offer at OCBS.
I founded Science Club in 2015, and we started with only 5 students, and it was 5 students that were really excited about science that didn't understand the virtual labs we were doing. So we said, come on campus, let's do it together. And then from there it grew, where students wanted to attend field trips, they wanted on-campus experiences, they wanted to meet professionals in different careers and scientific careers. So it built from there, and now we have about 65 Science Club members and counting at our school.
My favorite part of Science Club is talking to other kids and finding other kids that have interests that I also have.
You get a mesh of being virtual, having that comfort zone, but being able to come onto campus and getting to learn.